Okay. Oh, shush. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing well. So today I am going to be unboxing the July beauty box by LuKremBo. I was recently contacted by LuKremBo and they asked if they could send me this box to unbox here on my channel today. And as you guys know, I'm a really big lover of beauty boxes and I really like doing these types of videos. And also for those of you who are interested in subscribing to this box for yourself, I do have a discount code that you can use. So if you use the code EmilyDBB at checkout on either a 6 months or a 12-month subscription, you will receive 10% off your first order. So do be sure to check that out if you are interested and you are interested in trying this box out for yourself. Also, if you are new to this channel, then hello, welcome to you all. My name is Emily and I make videos like this one today, but I also make a lot of videos on the topics of having a disability and visual impairment and disability awareness. So if you are interested in any of those types of videos, then be sure to click that subscribe button and also be sure that you hit that notification bell button down below to make sure that you receive updates whenever I post new videos. So without further ado, let's unbox this and see what we have in the July beauty box from LuKremBo. The LuKremBo subscription box always has a value of at least £50. Now the box comes in two different variants, variant 1 and variant 2, and I have variant 2, which is apparently the variant that most new customers will get. Inside it says glowing skin is always in, and that's something else to note about the LuKremBo subscription boxes. From what I have seen of them in the past, they are quite heavily skincare based and they do tend to have quite a lot of skincare in them, and if you're into your skincare and you like that, that might be another thing to weigh in. And then we have a little card with some information on it. Now because I'm visually impaired, I do need the help of an app to help me read this.
Short tip to our lovely beauty box customers. We hope you love all the products in this box. With everything that is going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we will bring the printed versions back as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. Thank you for your continued support.
So let's open it and see what we have inside. So the first thing that I have pulled out of this box is the Erno LASZLO Multitask Eye Serum Mask. And this is a hydrogel patch mask for under the eyes. So this is basically like a sheet mask but for under your eyes, and I absolutely love things like this. I do like using them. You pop them under your eyes and they really help with things like puffiness or dryness, or if you've got any fatigue to the under eye area. They are just really nice to use, and around this time of year when it's hot, I always put these in the fridge for a few minutes before I'm going to use it, and it just makes it really nice and cooling as well. And apparently this has algae in it as well, and this is a brand that I have never heard of or used before, so I'm really excited to try these. So that is the first thing that I have in this box. Oh, okay, so the next thing I have pulled out of the box is from a brand called So Eco, and it is a KONJAC sponge which is infused with charcoal. Now I've actually used products like this in the past and they are actually really nice. They are meant for your face and they are meant to just help to gently cleanse the skin. You soak them with water and the sponge expands, and obviously because this has got charcoal in there, it will help to detox and purify the skin and get rid of things like blackheads or blocked pores and impurities. And I'd say this is probably more suited to someone who's got combination to oily skin or who does get problems with blemishes. I actually do have combination skin and it becomes a little bit more so at this time of year in the summer and the warmer weather, so I actually do use charcoal based products, so I will definitely use this. And it's also cruelty free as well because it's got the little cruelty free logo on the top. And also it says that this is biodegradable as well. Oh, something smells nice. Okay, so I found the thing that smells amazing, and it is a soap, and it's from the brand called COUVENT Jasmine and Tuberose scent. And this is in a really cute little botanical box. Oh, that smells amazing. That is lovely. It's floral, but it's also fresh at the same time. I really like that. Oh, that smells... Oh, I could just sit there smelling that all day. That smells amazing. And apparently it is also vegan friendly as well. So good shout there. And also a very good shout to add a soap into a beauty box, especially in the current climate. Next up we have something from NUXE, which I have actually tried quite a lot in the past, and they're a really good brand. They do some really nice skincare products. But this is a product that I have never actually tried before, and it's their CREME PRODIGIEUSE Boost, which is a gel cream. It contains hyaluronic acid and also a jasmine extract. And hyaluronic acid is really great for pretty much every single skin type, and jasmine is really soothing. But apparently this is recommended for normal to dry skin. Oh, it's very lightweight, and it has a very nice texture to it. Also smells very nice. It's quite a floral smell. You can definitely smell the warm kind of florally jasmine in there. But it feels very nice. It sinks into the skin very quickly, but it makes your skin feel very silky. You can still feel it on there, and it gives your skin a nice little bit of sheen as well. Another product we have from NUXE in this month's beauty box is their INSTA-MASQUE, which is an exfoliating mask which contains rose and macadamia oil, which sounds really nice actually. And I've never tried this before. I'm a big fan of any skincare product that has rose in it because I absolutely love rose. And apparently this is one that you apply to damp skin, you leave it on for a few minutes and then you rinse it off. And it feels kind of like a gel, but then when you rub it onto the skin, it's supposed to turn into an oil. This is going to be really nice to try, and I think from the ingredients with the macadamia nut oil, it will be really hydrating, and it will also be really refreshing as well with the rose. So that sounds like it's going to be really nice. So that is the other thing you get from NUXE in this box this month. The final skincare related item we have in this month's beauty box is from a brand called Balance Me, which I've never actually tried before, but I've heard a lot of people talk about this brand in the past, and it's their Vitamin C Repair Serum. So I can see they're going with a kind of a summery, brightening kind of vibe to this box, and this is supposed to help with elasticity to the skin and also texture and things like fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, it smells kind of fruity, definitely. It smells quite orangey, I think, but also a bit lemony, so it's very citrusy, and it's got that citrusy scent if you like that kind of thing. It feels quite lightweight as well, but also very smoothing too, and it doesn't feel tacky or sticky either, which is quite nice. I hate serums at this time of year that feels tacky or sticky and you have to sit there and wait for them to dry. I can't abide that, but that feels really nice. So I imagine that for a summertime serum this would be quite nice because it will quite quickly absorb into the skin. Also, vitamin C is really important for the skin, and it's one of the key ingredients that you should be incorporating into your skincare routine, because fun fact, the skin actually has receptors in it that take in and absorb vitamin C, so your skin actually does need vitamin C to be healthy. The final product we have in this month's beauty box is a makeup item, and it's from Sleek, and it's their Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and it's in the shade French Fancy. And I've actually used these lip creams a lot in the past. I already have a couple of them myself, and they are really good. And out of all the liquid lipsticks I have ever tried, these are the ones that hands down stay on the longest. They do not budge, they do not go anywhere, they do not smudge or stain or transfer, and they last such a long time. But I've never actually tried this shade, and from looking at it, it looks like it's going to be quite a bright pink. So that's what it looks like, and that is a shade of pink that Elle Woods would be proud of. That is like your proper Elle Woods Dress Legally Blonde pink. That is very pink, and this is the sort of shade that will look really nice with a tan. So if you're getting yourself tanned up and you want a pink to go with it, then this will be quite a nice shade to complement it. So that is the final thing that you get in this month's box from Look Fantastic. So that is everything that you get in the July box from Look Fantastic, and I think it's a nice selection. There is definitely a lot of skincare in there, and definitely a lot of things that are quite suited to this time of year. And also don't forget, if you are interested in getting this box for yourself and subscribing to the Look Fantastic beauty box, then do be sure to use the code EmilyDBB at checkout to get 10% off your first order when subscribing for either 6 or 12 months. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!